Good evening, everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I'm bringing you the 50-piece refrigerator magnets. And let's open this, shall we? How's everybody doing? I am doing fine. I'm going to get caught up with my reviews tonight. I got these magnets because I am going to be doing some refrigerator magnets and putting them on Etsy, and I thought that this would be a good thing. I'm going to try these magnets and see how they work. If I get them out of the bag, that is. There we go. So this is it. This is what they came in. And I'm going to try to make this light over just a little bit. And they're 50-piece refrigerator magnets. And I'm going to open it. These are how they look. So I'm going to use them for my magnets. And I will actually do a video on it and show you how they look when I'm finished with them. Okay, so this is a 50-piece refrigerator magnet. And, it said to keep them out of children's reach. And this is All Life, I think it is. But anyway, I'll put all this stuff in the description box. I love you. Take care. God bless you. Like, share, and subscribe. Amen. Bye-bye.